Still saying that I am screwed. These guys don't understand why I keep saying it. The reason why I am screwed or screwed or screwed, I really don't know how to spell it, but I'm
try to spell it.
What? S-Q
Okay.
S-Q-U no, S-K-R-U-D-E.
What's key?
Screwed.
No, but you said S-key.
S-Q, right? Okay, screwed. I am, my whole body, my many pounds are screwed. From 9 to 10,
Hey, yo.
I keep saying that word, I am screwed.
Like what animal?
Like elephant. Elephant.
Well, they got butterflies on their face.
That big amount of screwed, that's the way I am. The whole elephant.
Spell elephant. Wow.
E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T.
You got it now. Spell screwed.
S-Q.
Okay, say bye. It's about to finish.
Screwed.